In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in MetaTrader 4. Now, the first thing you have to do when you open up MetaTrader 4, you want to go to the top left and click on File. From here, you have a few options. You can see here it says Login to Trade Account. You can click on that if you have the account in here already. So as you can see, I have a few accounts. You can use your login password and of course your login username, which is usually going to be a number. You can select the server over here and then click on Login and it's going to log you in. But if you're doing this for the first time, so you just received your credentials from your broker, you can go to File, top left, click on Open an Account, find your broker over here. For example, let's say it was Vantage. I'm going to click on it. If you can't see it on the list, just go to Add New Broker, type in the name of that broker and press Enter, and it's going to basically start like this. And then you can just go ahead and whenever it finds it, go and click on it, and you can just click on the Next button. Whenever you do that, you can go and basically click on Existing Trade Account. You can type in your login, which again is going to be a number, your password, which you're going to receive from your broker, or of course create yourself via your broker, and then you can also save a password if you wanna, and the server has already been selected, so just click on Finish over here, and you'll be logged into your MetaTrader 4 account using the broker of your choice. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.